How to use Google Gemini Ultra hidden features. To use or unlock the full potential of Google Gemini, you have to stop treating Google Gemini just as a search engine. And what you can do is you can use it for dynamic views. Instead of static text, Gemini can build interactive web pages to explain complex topics. You can also use the infographics engine, which will help you transform any generated report into visual infographics simply by clicking the Create option. You can also use Gemini for deep research by simply tapping on this plus icon. You can switch between these options where you can extend your thinking levels, and you can also choose between many models such as 3.5 Flash, 3.1 Flash Lite, and even 3.1 Pro. Now you can also use the free Nano Banana Pro, which is available over here. Simply tap on this plus icon, then switch to images option, and from here you can start to create images as well. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.